Hello guys, what is up? It is your boy One True Legend, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can mirror any photo in Windows 10 without any additional software. And this is a photo I took back in 2019. It's an amazing photo and I want to mirror it. As you can see in the thumbnail, it looks amazing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press the crop button, and then once you press the crop button, you press the flip, and that should flip the image. And then what you want to do is save a copy. Make sure you don't save the actual photo because you need the first image as well for this to work. So I'm just gonna press 2 to work, and I'm just gonna save it. And once it's saved, you should have 2 of these images. And now what you're going to do is open up Paint. By doing that, you can press edit and zoom out as much as you can. This is the original image. This is the mirror image, which I'm gonna open right now. And now this is where the technique happens. So this is horizontally 6,000, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna half it, so that'll be 3,000. So we're gonna put it down to 3,000. And then once it's a 3,000, we're gonna copy the whole thing and paste it into the mirrored image. And once you paste it, bang, it's a mirrored image. You can save it, and now you got an amazing mirror image. And I've done that in probably less than a minute. It's amazing, and it's the fastest way where you can crop any image in Windows 10. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and like my videos and hit the bell notification so you get notified, because I still make amazing videos. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video.